TH. Like thumb. SH. Shh. Shh. Like sheep. WH. Says wah. Wah. CH. 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 TCH. Ch. Ch. Like chick. QU. QU says qua. Qua. Like queen. V. V. VE. V. Volcano. These are long vowel sounds. O. O. Ocean. This is a long U sound. U. U. Like uniform. A long A sound. A. A. Like acorn. A short E sound. Elephant. A long I sound. I. Like ice cream. A short O sound. Ah. AR says R. Like art. And artist. OO. Ooh. OU. Like cook. OW. Ow. OU. Ow. Like owl. Owl. T. ED. And TT. T. Like tiger. C. K. And CK. K. Like cat. K. F and sound ending FF says F. G and sound ending GG says G. G like goose. D. ED. DD. Like duck. Short vowel sound. Umbrella. K. CK. K. Like kangaroo. Oh, we did this one. Oh, what's next? Oh, no. Uh-oh. That's it. Have a good day.